I'm supposed to be taking my picture for
Lousy stretching it out now at 22. He's got some hooks around the turf coming in too tight there. In the second spot, Paul Monavon in third. Roller around top of the top line. We got out for 60 Big John. Tony Woods, Carl Scott, and Jay O'Brien. 3 down and 3 to go. Watching the middle, leader in the middle, leader in the middle. Leader got hung up, turtles quickly, car upside down.
Big wave for a leader. Didn't see someone back on the center on leader. Follow your leaders going to the center.
that's some balance.
The white balloon is out front and the brake train through the middle, going down the straightaway. The ball, then the early mission, got to the back out of nowhere, has now taken the lead. Too much messing around from Paco and Lousy is getting Paul Marabou a huge advantage here. He's going through the double session. Leader through, we got Paul Lousy in the second part, the two center shoot, and it's going to be a 3-0 down. All eyes on the white and blue on the black. There's Lousy in the front of the pass. Down lower. Hoffman's going to get it loose in the corner before the turn. So Lousy can take that. Hoffman set up for his maiden triple.
Here goes Scotty B. Scotty B in a twofer out of that triple section.
Scotty B in the mix now. Look at that. 4-way freight train through the center shoot for the lead battle.
Thank you very much. 3-4 leaders coming up on you. Very much will please pay attention and not watch the race for 2 more minutes and we need to focus on Sarah Marshalling, please.
Paul Marabou now a huge advantage. You see how white and blue go up on you. Make sure you give them a little bit of room. Something with Hoffman and Scotty, you guys know who your leaders are. So Hoffman about a second back for Marabou. We'll see if Hoffman can round it up the hat here as he likes to go.
It's shaky as hell because I'm holding my hand above my head. Nice escape route.